It's about using the best available knowledge to protect the people who have placed their trust in our hands. So, if the traditional buttock injection site is risky, what is the alternative? The answer is a site called the ventrogluteal muscle. This location is on the side of the hip, not the fleshy part you sit on. Decades of research and clinical practice have shown this to be the safest and most reliable site for intramuscular injections for adults and children over 7 months old. It's a specific spot that offers significant advantages over other potential locations. Understanding why it's the best choice will give you the confidence to use it consistently and correctly. The primary reason the ventrogluteal site is superior is its anatomy. The gluteus medius muscle at this location is thick and well developed. It can easily absorb a variety of medication volumes. Unlike the dorsogluteal area, this site is free from major nerves and large blood vessels. The sciatic nerve is far away from this landmarked spot. This simple anatomical fact dramatically reduces the risk of causing painful and debilitating nerve damage or injecting medication directly into a vein or artery. It's a cleaner, safer target for your needle. Another key advantage is the thinner layer of fatty tissue covering the ventrogluteal muscle. Even in patients who may be overweight, the muscle is relatively close to the skin's surface. This makes it much easier to ensure your needle reaches its intended target, the muscle tissue. When medication is deposited deep within the muscle, it is absorbed steadily and effectively. If it gets stuck in the fat layer instead, absorption can be slow, erratic, and incomplete, which means the patient doesn't get the full benefit of their prescribed treatment. For all these reasons, professional organizations and nursing schools now strongly recommend the ventrogluteal site as the gold standard for intramuscular injections. It offers the best combination of safety, reliability, and effectiveness. While learning to locate it takes a little practice, the peace of mind it provides is invaluable. By mastering this technique, you are not just following a procedure, you are actively protecting your patient from unnecessary pain and preventable complications. It is a hallmark of excellent, evidence-based nursing care.